How to use Newegg gift card or redeem. To use or redeem a Newegg gift card, you can either add it to your account balance for future use or apply it directly during a checkout procedure. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, you will just want to make sure to go to log into your Newegg account. There you want to tap on the profile and you could just go ahead and look for gift card section. Here you could go ahead and add in your gift card information and save it for future use. And if you don't want to, and if you want to use it during a checkout procedure, you could simply go ahead and start adding product to your cart. And once you've added the product to your cart, you can then go ahead and look for these gift card icon. So I'm gonna add this product to my cart, and there you have these view card section. You can then tap onto checkout or just secure checkout, and there you have a payment, or there you have these gift cards filled or promo code. You could just simply go ahead and apply for it, and that's basically how you're supposed to use Newegg gift card. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.